pizza pies and carousels, the fountains and the wishing wells. Remember when we roamed in Italy?
Switzerland, we loved it too, although we left there black and blue. Remember when we tried to learn to ski? Those 2 days in London town, we Yankee doodled all around, rubbed elbows there with all the royalty.
What have you done? Another year over, and you won't just be gone. And so this is Christmas.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join